Living in Mesa, Arizona, means enjoying beautiful sunny days, but it also presents challenges when it comes to maintaining a comfortable home. The intense desert heat and harsh sunlight can put a strain on your air conditioning system and cause energy bills to skyrocket. One of the most effective ways to combat these issues is by investing in residential window replacement services. Upgrading your windows can improve your home's energy efficiency, boost its aesthetic appeal, and enhance overall comfort. Here's why homeowners in Mesa should consider replacing their windows and how professional services can make the process smooth and beneficial. Why window replacement matters in Mesa, Arizona. Mesa's desert climate is characterized by high temperatures, abundant sunshine, and low humidity. While these conditions are great for outdoor activities, they can take a toll on your home's windows over time. Many older homes in Mesa have single-pane or outdated double-pane windows that aren't designed to withstand the extreme heat. As a result, these windows allow hot air to seep inside during the summer, making it harder for your air conditioning system to keep the house cool. Replacing your windows with modern, energy-efficient options can significantly improve your home's insulation and reduce energy loss. This means your air conditioning won't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, which can lead to lower energy bills and a more sustainable home. Benefits of residential window replacement: energy efficiency. One of the primary reasons Mesa homeowners invest in window replacement is to improve energy efficiency. Modern windows are designed with advanced technologies like low-E glass, which reflects heat and UV rays while still allowing natural light to enter your home. This helps keep your home cooler in the summer and reduces the strain on your HVAC system. Energy-efficient windows can lead to significant savings on your utility bills and make your home more eco-friendly. Enhanced comfort: new windows provide better insulation against the desert heat, preventing hot air from entering your home. This results in a more consistent and comfortable indoor temperature throughout the year. Additionally, window replacements can reduce drafts and minimize outdoor noise, creating a more peaceful living environment. UV protection: Mesa's abundant sunshine can cause fading and damage to your furniture, carpets, and artwork over time. Many modern windows come with UV protection coatings that block harmful ultraviolet rays, helping to preserve your interior decor while still allowing plenty of natural light to brighten your space. Improved curb appeal and home value: window replacement not only improves the functionality of your home but also enhances its aesthetic appeal. New windows can transform the look of your home, adding a fresh, modern touch that boosts curb appeal. This can also increase your home's value, making window replacement a smart investment if you plan to sell in the future. Low maintenance and durability: modern windows are built to last, with durable materials that require minimal maintenance. Whether you choose vinyl, fiberglass, or wood frames, you'll enjoy windows that resist the wear and tear of Mesa's harsh climate, providing long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Why choose professional window replacement services? While DIY projects can be tempting, replacing windows is a task best left to professionals. Professional window replacement services ensure that your windows are installed correctly for maximum energy efficiency and long-term durability. Trained installers have the expertise to assess your home's specific needs and recommend the best window solutions for your climate and lifestyle. Additionally, professional installation comes with warranties that protect your investment and guarantee quality workmanship. This means you can have peace of mind knowing that your new windows will perform effectively for years to come. For homeowners in Mesa, Arizona, residential window replacement is an excellent way to enhance comfort, reduce energy bills, and improve the look of your home. With the benefits of modern, energy-efficient windows and professional installation services, you can enjoy a cooler, more comfortable living space while making a smart investment in your home's future. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, contact a local window replacement service to explore your options and start reaping the benefits today.